on this Virgin Atlantic flight VS0092 bound for London Heathrow. A very warm welcome aboard. You've already heard from our captains, Kieran and Robert, up in the flight deck. My name's Claire, I'm your flight service manager on this evening's service, and I'll be looking after the service in the upper class cabin today. My lovely colleague, cabin service supervisor Julie, will be looking after the services that we'll be running in economy and premium. But there are a few safety reminders we do need to tell you about before you settle down for the flight, and as the fasten seatbelt signs are still on, we do ask you to keep both yours and your children's seatbelts securely fastened just for now. Your seatbelt does help to keep you safe if we encounter any turbulence, so you should always keep it loosely fastened whenever you're in your seat. If turbulence is expected or does occur, the captain will turn on the fasten seatbelt signs, at which point the crew will need to visibly check that your belt is fastened. But we do appreciate this is a night flight and many of you may wish to sleep and use a blanket or duvet, so when you do settle down, please clearly fasten your belt over the top of it, and if we do need to check, the cabin crew will endeavour not to disturb you if they can see your belt. Do be careful if you open the overhead compartments in flight, as items may fall out and cause injury, and do please remember that smoking, which does include electronic and smokeless cigarettes, is strictly not allowed whilst you're on board. Our toilets are equipped with loud smoke detectors. Taking personal photographs and videos is allowed on your flight, but you must always ensure you get consent from other customers and crew before including them. If a crew member does ask you not to use your camera or mobile device to take photos or video footage on board, you must comply with their instructions. Some electronic equipment may interfere with the aircraft systems, and we've provided details of these on the back of your safety card. If you do plan to connect your electronic equipment to our in-seat power supply, please don't leave it connected unless you're actively using it, just in case it overheats. And never connect any item that produces direct heat to our power supply.